Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm back today to share with you a video that I found. I had made the video last year around this time, I believe. I had hosted a card swap, and this is one of the cards that I received. I have put together the card, so I'm going to share the video with you now, but like I said, it is from last year, so stay tuned.
I don't know what he's thinking when he'd rather spend his Christmas holiday with someone else. I guess he stopped thinking about me. Yeah. I don't know what he's thinking when he says that he's been driving all night, all day to celebrate Christmas with me. But he's not here, and I'm not there. I don't know what he wants now, but I don't care. Yeah. Oh, ain't ringing my bells no more. Oh, he missed out on love, and that's for sure. For sure. I don't know what he wants now, and I don't know why he said all the things he said to me. It means nothing to me now, 'cause there will be someone who would not complain to drive all night, all day to celebrate Christmas with me. 'Cause you're not here, and I'm not there. I don't know what you want now, but I don't care. Oh, you ain't ringing my bells no more. Oh, you missed out on love, and that's for sure. For sure. You ain't ringing my bells, no. You ain't ringing my bells no more. He missed out on love, and that's for sure.
Okay, my battery ended up dying, so I ended up putting it together, and here is how my card turned out. I love it. Thank you so much, Therese, for participating in my card swap. And so for more information and for more inspiration, you can find that here. And until my next video, shakas.